Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we will learn something basic from technical analysis. We will talk about divergence. So what is divergence? Divergence is a situation that we traders have very often when the price of an asset is moving in the opposite direction of a technical indicator such as any oscillator. For example, relative standard index, stochastic, MACD, or any other oscillator indicator. Divergence warns that the current price trend may be weakening, or it would be sometimes in bullish or bearish trend, and very often this warns that trend can be shifted very easily. What we need to know is that divergence can occur between the price of an asset and almost any technical fundamental indicator data. And through divergence, the typical use by technical traders when the price is moving in the opposite direction of a technical indicator. So right now on this screen we have regular divergence. So you know what it is. If you see that image above, it's a chart. You see red, green. We have a bearish, bullish trend, but overall trend is bearish. We have a lower lows. Below we have an indicator, for example, relative standard index or MACD, and indicator shows bullish trend, higher low. In this other example, we have a hidden divergence. In hidden divergence, we have higher low on chart, and on indicator we have lower lows. The bearish situation is different. We have on the chart bullish trend, higher high, and on indicator we have lower high. It's a regular divergence when we have a bearish, future bearish trend. And we have a hidden bearish trend, bearish divergence, when on the chart we have a lower high and on the indicator we have higher high. So you can see where is the difference between a classic and a hidden divergence. Look this picture. As you can see, prices making lower lows and oscillator making higher lows. It's a classic, regular divergence. And we are prepared to enter buy trade here. We have another buy trade, but this time on the right side of your picture we have a hidden divergence. In this example, we have a situation the price is making higher lows on the chart and oscillator making lower lows. In this situation, we'll have a buy trade again. So, to sum up, we have bearish and bullish divergence, and we have a regular divergence and hidden divergence. What that means? So, if in the future we will have a bullish trend, we'll talk about bullish setups. If we have in the future bearish setup, we talk about bearish divergence. And in always this example, I don't want for you to be complicated. We have only one rule, that oscillator is going in one direction and the chart price is going in the other direction. When we have that situation, the probabilities are not 50-50%. Few percents we have a better chance that we will have a bullish or bearish trend based on these setups, based on these patterns. Now, I want to tell you that on our website you can download for free automated relative strength index bearish bullish divergence indicator. So you can use divergence indicator for free and you will get bullish and bearish signals on your MetaTrader 4 chart very easily. So this is the picture of the indicator, and it works very simple. As you can see, this indicator can detect bullish and bearish movements on oscillator and bullish and bearish movements on the chart. If this indicator detects differences, so the chart is going bullish trend and oscillator is going to bearish trend, we have divergence. And then we have probability, let's see, few percent bigger probability that future trend will change and go in some direction. So let us see some example. The first example is, as you can see, a bullish trend, moderate bullish trend on the chart, and strong bearish trend on the oscillator. It's a divergence. And you can see after the bearish arrow, we have next few hours bearish trend. This is the 30-minute chart, so it's very fast. Then on the second example, we have another bullish setup and a bearish setup on the oscillator. And again, as you can see after the bearish arrow, several hours we will have a bearish trend. You can see several candles, red candles after this arrow in the bearish mode. And on the end, we have another, the same example, but we will see will this be true, because this is the chart right now. I don't know what will happen, but there is a strong probability that on the chart we can see today or tomorrow a bearish trend, because as you can see we have a bearish trend on oscillator and bullish trend on the chart. And one good thing why I think that there is a bigger probability that it will be bearish trend is because US dollar is very, very strong right now, and British pound and British pound dollar is in some bearish mode last several weeks and maybe months. So there is a high probability that right now is a good spot to sell, for example. I just repeat, this channel is not investment advice. This is just educational purpose. So, on the end, I just want to sum up and tell that divergence is a simple thing, but sometimes it's very hard to spot on the chart. Because it's very hard to spot, please use indicators, because indicators will very, very easily and at 99% accuracy will detect the divergence on your chart, mark, show it's a regular or hidden divergence, and show the probability of the next trend. So please, you can download this indicator, but you have around the internet a lot of relative strength index divergence or MACD divergence or any kind of divergence indicators, hundreds divergence indicators. Please use them, because indicators will make your life easier and you will enjoy in trading. So I wish you a great day and bye-bye.